Hello everyone, my name is Eva with Uniquely You Planners, where I talk about anything planner related and anything else that is striking my fancy at the moment. But today we are going to be talking about a couple of planners I had gotten from Michaels. They're Heidi Swapps, and I'm going to be doing a walkthrough with both of them, or flip through. I'm kind of comparing the two. I've never used these before, but I was curious and I thought they were so stinking pretty. So I'm going to be going over what's in them and all of that. Please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, let me know in the comments that whether you're new to my channel, it's your first visit or not, because I would love to say hello. So have a great one and I'll talk to you soon. The cover is really beautiful. It's very soft. It says life is good, and I love that. I think it's beautiful. It does have some card slots and a pocket. And a PVC, very pretty. It says hello gorgeous. And it has a card spot here. I love this because it's top entry. How's this one? Oh, yeah, there it is. I like that. You can probably put some tasks in here. Whatever you are, be a good one. That's very nice. So the weekly is horizontal. The weekly layout. There is no monthly, I'm noticing, although it separates it out by the month. Or at least there's tabs for each month. There isn't actually a monthly. Oh, here it is. Totally missed that. Okay, let me go back. What is February? Okay. Fantastic. How did I miss that? All right. So there is a monthly 2-page spread, undated, which is fantastic. So then I'm not obligated to or pressured to keep up. The weekly is a horizontal, which I'm not used to, but that's okay. It is a personal size, which is good because I'm incorporating a personal into my lineup of planners that I'm going to be using. Oh, these are so pretty. Never Stop Dreaming. Oh, even the flowers here is gorgeous. I really like this one. I'm so glad I got it. Perfectly Imperfect. I need to remember that. Whatever you are, be a good one. Every day it has the same, be brave. Oh, I tell my boys that all the time. Do what you love. What's the other tab? Let's see. August. Ooh, that's pretty. Plan. Get it done. Oh, I really like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and you get pouches in each month. Very nice. Yeah, I'm going to have fun with this one. And there's nothing in the back, no card spots, no pockets or anything, but that's okay. It does have a pen loop, so I'll have to create my own again. So I've had to do that with some of my happy planners. But I really like this. I really like this. So you'll be seeing this once I start incorporating this and start playing with the inserts. I will do a walkthrough. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. So this is a beautiful matte gold cover, and I wanted it just for that. And so I got it. So now we're going to take a peek and see if it's something I can add into my inventory of planners that I have. So it does have pockets, which is fantastic, and business card holders. I'm loving this. Dashboard. Hello gorgeous. Hello to you. Oh, how cute are these? They're not business card size. They're smaller. I guess for tiny little, maybe task sheets or something. Oh, I have to figure out what to do with that. Goals, to-dos. I like how nothing is really filled in, so you can personalize it. It's all undated, I knew that going in. And I like that because I don't like the pressure of having to keep up with it if I don't want. Well, this is an interesting horizontal. I like the lines though. Maybe for priorities of the day. Figure that one out. It's your day. Never stop dreaming. Oh, you get the pouches in every month as well. Very nice. Oh, that's pretty. That's April. Oh, nice. I like it. Do what you love. Gotta remember that. Choose happy. Skipping all the inserts because they're all going to be the same. Don't stop, never give up. Make today count. You can and you will. I like these sayings. They're all good reminders. Change accepted. Change or challenge? Challenge. Couldn't read for a second. Take things one step at a time. And you got this. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. I like the neutral colors. I like that it's not dated, but I knew that going in. It's actually, I think, considered a memory planner is what I think it said on the box. But even with the memory planning thing, I don't know if you could even put pictures in here, which is what most people would do, right? Anyhow, I'm loving it. I'm going to figure out how to use it, and then I will do a walkthrough of that once I actually fill this baby up with something lovely in it. Lovelier, or something more that's lovely. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and give this video a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment below if you have anything in particular that you're going to want to see in the future, and I will be more than happy to work on trying to get that out to you. If you have any questions, or if you want to just say hello, I greatly appreciate a comment below as well. And if you are liking the content you've seen so far, please give a thumbs up, as well as maybe a subscribe, and that way I can get more videos out to you. So I appreciate you stopping by, and I will talk to you soon.